Love should be easy. Why should it not?
This question keeps popping up for me, and I haven't been able to get an answer for it from Google. What does nang in a non-question sentence do? Like in my textbook, it has the sentence, お母さん、私はもう17歳なんだから、or もう17なんだから、なんだから、少しほっといてよ。ほっておいてよ、sorry. ほっておいてよ. In English is, Mom, I'm 17 years old, leave me alone. But I'm still not sure what the nan does. And let me just show you the sentence that we're talking about. 17なんだから. Alright. Well, what the nan does there, probably Junana would be if I was writing the book that they wrote, I wouldn't have used Junana and then added nan. That's confusing. I might have said Ju-go or Ju-roku instead of something that sounds similar to nan, right? So let's go with Jugo. Jugo dakara would mean because I'm 15. Jugo dakara. But if you say Jugo nan dakara, it shows the exasperation of the situation. Because I'm 15, it's just an emphasis. It does not change the meaning of the sentence. All it does is give emphasis. So for example, you could say, gaijin dakara, because I'm a foreigner. Or, gaijin nan dakara, man, because I'm a foreigner. And really the meaning doesn't change, but it gives it more emphasis. Hopefully that answers your question.